If you're a developer, you likely remember that agonizing choice, right? Picking a new programming language.
Oh, absolutely.
It used to be this really technical thing. You'd think about runtime speed or maybe the size of the library ecosystem.
So all the classic trade-offs.
Well, today, that whole decision process has it's dissolved. We are in the middle of this massive immediate shift where AI isn't just changing how we code.
No, it's changing what we choose to build with in the first place. That's the real foundational change we want to unpack here.
And we've got some fascinating signals to look at. We're talking about data from GitHub Next's leadership, the latest Octoverse report.
And the numbers are, well, they're transformative. We're tracing this shift from a technical choice to an AI-driven choice. The first stunning nugget, TypeScript. A 66% year-over-year surge.
66%. And you're saying the driver is pure AI compatibility.
That's the signal.
Okay, let's dig into that. Aiden Gazet over at GitHub Next. He says the real change is happening before anyone even writes a line of code. So why TypeScript? Why did it suddenly leapfrog Python and JavaScript in new projects? It sounds almost philosophical, but you're saying it's just about efficiency and safety.
It is. It's what they're calling the guardrail effect.
Yeah.
When an AI is generating, potentially complex code for you,
Yeah.
your main job suddenly shifts
To what? Just validating?
to validating its output and doing it fast. Explicit types in TypeScript give you that safety net.
Yeah.
They dramatically reduce what you could call the hallucination surface area.
The hallucination surface area. I like that.
The type system basically limits what the AI can invent. You've given the model guardrails, and developers want the speed of the model, but with the assurance of a compiler.
But wait a second. If the model is so smart, if it's seen a trillion examples of good code, why do we even need guardrails? Isn't that just a flaw in the model?
It just exposes the reality of it. Code generation is a partnership, not a replacement. I mean, before AI, the choice was what? Runtime versus ecosystem. Now there's a new constraint. How much lift will the model give me, and how fast can I verify it? That's the game now.
And as this loop accelerates, as we see more and more agents being deployed, I imagine the complexity of just integrating these things skyrockets.
Absolutely. And figuring out how agents impact your existing software or, where they should even be deployed, that is not trivial.
It's a huge challenge.
It is. And that need for specialized help is why we wanted to mention our sponsor, Embersilk. They assist with AI training, automation, and integration.
And critically, uncovering where these agents can make the most impact for your business.
Exactly. So if you're navigating this new world, check out embersilk.com for all your AI needs.
Okay, so that guardrail idea makes total sense for a modern language like TypeScript. But what about the most unexpected signal from the Octoverse data? A language with zero type safety.
Bash.
Bash shell scripting. It saw a shocking 206% year-over-year growth in AI-generated projects. Why are developers choosing the infamous duct tape of software if safety is the priority?
This is what I'm calling the duct tape principle in action.
Okay.
AI makes painful languages tolerable. I mean, let's be honest. Very few developers actually enjoy writing bash scripts. There's so much friction.
Oh, for sure. It's a necessary evil.
But everyone needs it. AI automates that whole drudgery layer. So the choice shifts from, do I want to wrestle with this script, to I should use the right tool now that the AI writes the code, not me.
That completely changes the economics of effort. It feels like the definition of a senior engineer is changing, and changing fast.
It has to.
Your value shifts from skill measured by lines of code to what? Skill measured by validation, architecture, and debugging.
Exactly. Seniors move from writing the hardest code to judging the hardest code.
Yeah.
And that points directly to the next horizon.
WebAssembly, WASM.
Yes, WASM. If WASM succeeds in removing the constraint that specific languages have to run in specific environments, if that portability problem just goes away,
then one of the biggest reasons for picking a language today just poof, disappears.
gone.
So if portability is gone and AI removes the pain of syntax, what's left to compete on? We've been optimizing for leverage, not loyalty.
And that's the final signal. It's not about learn TypeScript now. It's about the tools that surround the language.
So what survives?
The tools that survive will be the ones that give both developers and machines the most shared advantage. The ultimate competition, I think, will be on the depth of their debugging ergonomics and tooling maturity.
That's a really powerful final thought. If AI removes all those old constraints of syntax and runtime, will languages just compete on how easy they are to fix when things inevitably go wrong?
It seems that way.
Something to mull over. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please subscribe to the show. Hey, leave us a 5-star review if you can. It really does help get the word out. Thanks for tuning in.